working with you. I've seen your work and I just love it.
Well, thank you. I'm really excited too because you are very photogenic. I think we're gonna have some really awesome images.
Well, coming from you, that means a lot. I mean, the way you photograph just makes people look so real.
Yeah. I'm glad you said that because I'm really trying to find the human side of the subject.
I can tell.
Okay, I'm gonna take a couple of test shots, okay?
Okay. So, are you from around here?
No. You can't tell. I always kind of feel like I'm not hip enough for this town.
I know what you mean. It feels like everybody knows something that I don't.
Exactly. Okay, well, I think I have everything, okay? You're a natural. So where are you from?
Albany, Oregon?
Oh, shut up. I'm from Corvallis, Oregon.
Really? We're neighbors.
That's crazy. Okay, that's a good pose. Hold it. You have a hair. A little more?
Can you just get it? Oh my god, what am I doing?
It's cool. It's cool.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, you're amazing. But I think we should finish the photo.
Okay, yeah.
I want to try some natural lighting.
Really?
Trust me.
Okay.
Something wrong? Do I have kissy face?
These lights are awesome.